Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to upload project files on Payhip. First, log into your Payhip account. Once inside, on the upper ribbon, go to Products section. In here, you can go and add a new one. Now, for the product type, select Digital Product. After that, go and upload your product files, wherein all formats are accepted. Now click the upload button and then select your project files. After that, open them. Once done on uploading, you can add now a title for it. So just add in a name, whatever you want, and then go and add the price for your products. Now you can upload a product image. So just select the image that best represents your project files. Once done, you can also add a description to fully showcase what you are selling. And after that, under the visibility section, make sure that it is visible so everyone can see your product. Once done, click the add button. Now, you can go and show your product page. Then in here, you will be able to see your project files. Your customers will get those files if they purchase your product. And that's just basically it. That's how you upload project files on Payhip. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.